Okay, we're having a look at the Speras M1, small little baby, 1000 lumens. It's got a switch on the side and a couple of settings, so brighter, dull, brighter, okay, and it's also got a strobe function. If you hold it in, it shuts off. If you hold it in, it shuts on. Dull, brighter, brighter, and double click for strobe. Opens in the front, and it takes one of these rechargeables, 750, which also gets charged by means of micro USB there. What's nice is you can actually switch it on and click the magnetic base, and there you've got your light. Stuck. Thousand lumens, 119 meters beam, 100 hours runtime, and all the other features, 5-year warranty. Fits nicely in your hand, in your pocket. Nice little torch. Easy on, easy off. Speras M1.